Alright, robot, here's the situation. I'm gonna rebuild this privacy screen now. First thing to do is figure out how much privacy I need. I need to have enough room for this cover to slide backwards underneath whatever it is that I build. So if I put it about here, it would be fine. And about here is about that far. You made that an even 32, nobody's heart would be broken. So that's it. 32 by however wide. Here are my 3 pieces that came off of here originally. This is 32, which is what I measured. I really don't care if it's 32 or 33, but 33 is a better place to cut because it goes right down the middle of one of these designs here. When you cut this stuff, that's the best way. There it is. There's my lower notch. And there's my upper notch. Piece of 1x2 is going to go right in there. And also right in there. Now I got to screw that in. Good work, me.